Okay, so we're going to label these equation 1, equation 2. Okay, we have to pick one of those equations and solve it for y. So one of them needs to say y equals in order for this to work. Well, this one, the y is all by itself, so we're going to use this one. So we circle it, and it gets plugged into the other one. Okay, and so now we can write that other one out. So we got 2x minus 2, and I know what y is now. Y is negative 4x plus 13 equals 4. We need to distribute 2x. Well, negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8x. Negative 2 times 13 is negative 26 equals 4. Okay, we got to combine our like terms. So I can combine this 2x and this 8x to give me 10x minus 26 equals 4. Okay, we're going to add 26 to both sides. We're trying to solve for x here. So I got 10x equals 30. And then I'm going to divide by 10. Divide by 10. So x equals 3. Okay, and I want you to think about this. Where do I plug that back into? Okay, where do I plug in that x equals back into? Okay, we always plug that back into the one that's circled above. Okay, so it's going to be y equals negative 4, and instead of x, we know what x is now. X is 3. Plus 13. Okay, so I'm going to have y equals negative 12 plus 13. Which is just going to be y equals 1. So this one's going to end up being 3, 1. Who is totally 100% lost? I'm assuming nobody. Okay, so this one, we're going to label the equations. 1, equation 2. Okay, we solve one of them for y. Okay, well, one of them's already solved for y, so we're going to circle this, and we plug it into the other equation. So this one's going to be down here. It's going to get plugged in down there where there's the y. So it's going to be negative x plus 3. And instead of y, we got 7x minus 3 equals 11. Okay, we need to distribute. We got negative x plus 21x minus 9 equals 11. Okay, we can combine our like terms. So I can combine this negative 1x and this 21x to give me a 20x minus 9 equals 11. I'm going to add 9 to both sides. I got 20x equals 20. And then we divide both sides by 20. So it's going to be x equals 1. We plug that back into the one we circled up here. Okay, so I got y equals 7, and instead of x, it's going to be a 1 minus 3. So that's going to be 7 minus 3, which is just going to be y equals 4. Okay, and so now I've solved for x and y. So x is 1, y is 4. Okay, number 9, we're going to label equation 1, equation 2. We solve 1 for y, okay, so 1 is already solved for y, so we can circle it and we plug it into the other equation wherever there's a y. So it's negative 2x minus 3, and my y is 3x plus 5 equals 7. We're going to distribute. So I got negative 2x minus 9x minus 15 equals 7. Nine, 10, 11, it's going to be 11x minus 15 equals 7. Okay, which is just going to be plus 15 plus 15. Negative 11x equals 1522. And then we're going to divide both sides by negative 11. Divide by negative 11. So x equals negative 2. We plug that back in way up here. Okay, so that's y equals 3 times negative 2 plus 5. Okay, which is going to be y equals, y equals negative 6 plus 5. Which is going to be y equals negative 1. Okay, so we can write these as a coordinate, and it's be negative 2, negative 1. Okay, I would like you to start on 11. Start on 11, and then I'm going to do it on the board so you can see if you're even remotely on the right track.